Going to open Respira number 2. Great. Yeah, you see that. That's the state of the bottom reservoir. Basically everything fell out. It's all over the place. Let's see the ripped right here. Not a great sign. Stuff out of the way. Let's check the sides. Side looks okay. Back is a little loose. Here. Looks like there's a little nick right here, but this isn't cracked like the other one. Do you see any panel gaps on the top? Anything falling apart? Let's take a close look at it. I see some residue on the bottom. Not sure if this is correct or not. Take a look at this. I didn't see this on the other one. Go around the other way. You see this? I don't know if that's a drain for the basin, but you see how worn it is. Rigid, worn, not clean cut, not the greased estates. All right, is there anything else that you might see inside of here besides the basin?
This one's in better condition than the first one.
Yeah, it is, which is good, but still not great. And we still have this guy over here to open, who shipped over to us, is already partially open. So, all right. I think we're good from here, and we can try to replace the other one with this guy.